Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first, you should open the notification bar, and right here you will see the Wi-Fi icon. Just tap here, and now you can do it by this way. I'll show you. You can just tap here and your Wi-Fi will turn on, and just you can press for a while and you'll see here the all available networks. And for example, the second way is just go to the settings app, and here you'll see the connection settings. Just go here and tap on the Wi-Fi switcher to turn it on. And now here you can see our available networks, and you can choose one from these networks and connect here. So for example, I'll just go in with this one, for example, and now you can here enter your password. For example, you can also see your password. What are you typing? Just tap here on the eye icon, and now just connect. Wait a few seconds, and as can you see, our device has connected successfully to our network. If you want, you can remove this network. For example, you can forget that, and you can select another network. If you want to turn it off, just tap here on the switcher again, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.